Thanks for tuning into this review. Today we're looking at a item sent to me by CAMDUCK. They sent this to me to do an honest review, and let's do that right now. Came in a box just like you see here with a little duck on it. It says CAMDUCK. Plain cardboard box, good packaging, and it does come with a user manual. We'll go into this in a few minutes. You can download an app, how to use it, how to set up. It does take a micro SD card that you have to supply yourself. Here's everything that's in here. So this is what it comes with, the manual, and also it comes with the device. Now what this device is basically a charger and camera in one. So if you need to have some security around your house and protect a certain area that you want to, this has a camera built in. Also has USB charging, USB, standard USB 5 volts, and also USB-C charging as well. 2.1 amps total, so 5 volts, 2.1 amps. It does have 4 additional charge ports here. So there's a built-in camera here, and basically a sensor. So when it picks up movement, it'll start recording on a card. That's pretty much how that works. This is what it looks like. And you plug it into the wall like you see here, and a little screw that's in here as well to attach it to the outlet. Now the only pet peeve I have is that I couldn't find the accessories to do that with. The reason why is it was underneath here. So just be aware when you get it that you have to pull this part out, and there's more pieces underneath. Just to be aware of that. Take that out. For me personally, I would put it in the actual top part of the box. I would put it right here personally inside here, out of the way, and that way you can see it's there. I don't want people to get confused, but that's where it is. So what do we have in here? So we have a USB, micro USB card reader. That's what's in here. So you can actually put the card inside here and actually read it. And it looks like a guitar pick, but this is basically a plastic piece here to open up the top of the card, and I'll show you that in 1 second. Let me just get that out. And here is the screw to actually mount it into the wall plate. Take off the wall plate and just pop that screw in. You can see that screw right here. And that's how you attach it to the wall so nobody can pull it off easily. So that's what that's for. So let's take a look at the part here, the top part, and use this little gadget here. And you want to just open this up. This is where the little micro card goes on top. Just opens right up. Just slide it back and forth. Then you can see that's where the card goes right there. So that's easy enough. Let's pop in the card. You can see here. Let's use a little tool, make sure it's in. Let's just click it in. Just like that. And that's what this is good for too. They get that in and out. And you can see here with I put the card inside here, and if you want to pop it out, just put this little tool in here. You can actually just pop it right out, and you can see how it comes right out like that. Super easy. So if you want to take the card out and look at the footage, or you can actually review it actually with the app. Let's pop that back in. Let's put the cover back on. Just like that. And you're good to go. All right, let's plug into the wall and download the app. The app is right here. There's a little QR code on here that you want to download the app. And let's do that and see what we got. Okay, let's get going.
Okay, so what you want to do here, just scan the QR code like you see me doing here. It takes you to the Google Store or the Apple Store. Download the app CAMDUCK, as you can see here, and install that, and then set up get that all installed. I would accept notifications in case you want to use it correctly with all the information. You want to pair it correctly. Basically, what you want to do at this point is connect it to your Wi-Fi settings. Use Bluetooth, use Wi-Fi, get everything all set up, and you want to use Bluetooth. I said yes. I'd like to connect to your device to your local network. Say allow, things like that. You just got to work through that whole system. Then basically you want to connect your network to the system. So you go to the CAMDUCK top middle one right there. Click on that. It knows which one you're using. Put your network, put your password in, get that all set up. Now the password's all in the system. Now you got to go to get the CAMDUCK itself and actually connect with that. And that's a little bit of the tricky part right there. So once you go here, you see that CAMDUCK A66, that's the password you want to use to access the app. So you'll see CAMDUCK, it'll ask for the password. You put that password in, and then basically it keeps connecting, going back to my network, my Netgear. So I force it back up to the CAMDUCK. You want it to connect to that. Once it connects to that, then it starts connecting to the thing. So you have to just make sure that's connected, get the check mark like you saw. And then you can download the information. As you can see here, it's connecting to the camera just like you see here. And it does work. So that's the really quirky thing. You know what I mean? A lot of times it's just not clear, but that's how it works. You can see it's connected, as you can see. And it really worked well once I got it going. I was pretty psyched. There it is. Here's the whole room shot. You can see from floor to ceiling. Now this is plugged into an outlet 2 feet off the wall. You can feed the ceiling to the floor. and really wide view. So it's a great view, great, nice and clear. And also it has sound. So if someone's talking, someone's walking, you can hear stuff in the background, which is really cool. And nobody really knows. It's color, which is nice. You can record on the app. You can take photos on the app. You can set it up so it does, you can trip it with motion. It has a lot of features. So take your time, read everything, look at all the information. But I just want to give you a quick overview how it looks, and really works well. So I've had no issues whatsoever. I definitely highly recommend it if you're looking for a spy camera. There you go. You can hear me walking another room. So you can hear there's sound, there's noise. It just works. And I love it. So I definitely highly recommend if you're looking for a spy camera. And this is definitely the one to go. Peace, and definitely a thumbs up. Let's finish up the review.
As you can see, I have it connected to the wall. You can see there's no lights on. I downloaded the app. As you saw before, I got it connected, plugged it in, got the card in here. And if you have some trouble getting it ready and organized, just hit the reset button. There's a little tiny button right here, right there. And you want to use the paper clip and hit reset. It'll reset everything, send the signal out, and you'll be able to do it. Took a couple times to get it straight. Watch the video that I made, and then follow those instructions, and it's pretty easy once you get going. Again, 2 USBs and 1 USB-C. Easy charging. It really works. It really looks good. Looks really discreet. You can see here, once you got this card here, put the micro cards in here, and we'll just cover that up. And no one will know either way. It's just that cool. Then you have a camera in here. Works well. You can charge your phone. You can charge anything, plug anything in here, and USB, and also the camera is in the background. That's really nice and easy. Like the way it looks. Definitely recommend this if you're looking for like a security or a secret camera in a room, or watching a specific room. And you can actually do it from outside too on Wi-Fi. I was actually at the mall today, and I actually just checked it out and it worked fine. So I was checking out the room. So it does work. Nice wide angle, nice wide view. So definitely the way to go. Definitely recommend this one if you're looking for like a security camera that kind of looks discreet and looks like a charger. Should work great. Appreciate you looking. Hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching.